I'm originally from Northamptonshire, so I was aware of the Trickers brand from a young age. Our first visit to the famous Trickers factory was unforgettable. It really felt like we had stepped back in time to an era when handmade meant everything. Their authentic craftsmanship is still the same as it was when it was founded in 1829. That history, I think, is remarkable for a brand in this day and age. So when we were approached by Trickers to create a collab boot together, we jumped at the chance. It feels like the perfect match of brands, a nice balance of vintage and modern style. From the beautiful 1904 building, the original engineered machines, the worn-in floorboards and the stunning interiors. The labour of love from every craftsman in there could be felt at every stage of the process. And the smell of leather was magical. Even more so when we saw the first collab boot being made. I'm still smiling about the symmetry of working with a brand that I loved as a young man. Everyone involved is really excited about this collab, and we can't wait to share this with our customers.